And this is Callie.
And we're the Necessary Kids. And we're doing the Toaster Oven Challenge. Doing the 2 rounds, and the first one is tasty.
The second one is terrible. Savory.
And I'm Team Sweet. So let's get started.
I will make a s'more.
Here, pick one.
What?
Pick 2. There. On this, we have graham crackers, apple butter, pumpkin pie spice, honey, marshmallows, and dried cranberries.
For mine, I started with a layer of butter. I topped it with some mild cheddar. Then I added a bit of garlic powder. And for my final piece, I did a topping of pepper sticks.
Whatever it is, I don't know. I'm gonna taste it anyways.
I'm so scared.
I'm so scared. I don't want to eat no bread. I don't want to eat no disgusting bread.
And it is just bread. You guys improved on bread. Bread is boring. I'm gonna have to give it to the dessert one. But
I won. That was mine.
Okay, so, Bob.
I'll eat these all day.
Okay.
I'll take those for lunch.
Okay.
We have all of the things over here. But here's all the things. We have trout. It's still cold. And then we have raisins, some bread and butter pickles, sour cream, peanut butter, cream cheese, and his least favorite, he hates mustard. This is what's going to be a lot of it on there. And my toast may be sweet, but I can be sour. I forgot to mention some other stuff. So we have a jelly grape, grape jelly grape, and some tomato ketchup that I just found on the ground. So yeah.
Kind of weird.
Okay, ready to see it?
Mm-hmm. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
So, there's some trout on there, and there's trout skin, raisins, mustard, ketchup, pickles,
Did you use hot mustard?
no, we just used regular mustard. But
Dang it.
go ahead and get into it. Jelly, peanut butter,
Jelly, peanut butter,
sour cream.
sour cream on the... I can only smell the pickle, but it's gonna be disgusting. I know it.
We added a lot of mustard.
Oh, I love mustard.
One bite.
One bite. You want to eat the whole thing?
No.
How's that taste?
It's dripping. Is that skin?
Yeah, it's the fish's skin.
There's no flavoring in the water.
Nope. I dare you. Double dog dare you.
Can't
To eat
talk
the-
out of a double dog dare.
Eat the whole
No.
thing.
No. One bite. I can't do it.
You have to.
Ronnie.
Nope, you gotta get the whole thing together. All of it. All of it. Take a bite of the toast. Take a bite of the toast. You lost. You have to eat it. Did you eat the toast? Eat that. Right there. It's all got all the good, juicy sauce. How's that for taste? Go ahead and drink some water. At least we gave you water, right? At least we gave him water. And you have to eat it off the stove.
No. No. Just
Just to
kidding.
clean it
How
up.
was it? How was it?
How was it, Ronnie?
Disgusting.
Really?
I was so confident in my winning. But it was nighttime, so nighttime is around dessert time. So of course you were gonna win.
So, this was the Toaster Oven Challenge. And just so to remind you, I was the winner. And he got the completely disgusting, evil thing I made him.
By the way, please subscribe. And remember, losing is disgusting. Goodbye.